Hello friends, today I'll be showing you how to manage your disk space. So let's get started. Now you need to open your storage settings. To open your storage settings, you need to search storage settings. If you search the storage settings, the best match will be the one you need to open. When you open the storage settings, you have this window in front of you. Here details about your primary drive, that is C drive, pops up, which says 151 GB out of the storage in your whole PC goes for your C drive. The bar below it shows the data, how much has been used out of 151 GB and how much is free. So I have used 59 GB out of 151 GB in my C drive. Next, I'll show you how many folders are there which use your storage of C drive. There are many folders which use. I'll show apps and features. So let's see. The apps and features show each and every app in the C drive which uses the space. So if you search for some app, for example Netflix, the storage used by Netflix in my C drive will come up here. It is showing 7.25 MB. When you click on Netflix, there is this advanced option which pops up. By doing this, you can get more information about a specific app, not only Netflix, the app which you want. So here it shows specifications about Netflix and the other features that shows apps permission, battery usage. You can check how much the battery is being used by Netflix and the other features. You can reset the app or even uninstall it if you don't want. Now I'll show you how to sort and see. So when I click on sort by, the options appearing is size, install date and name. It will come by default in the name category. Now if you click on size, now the biggest file in your C drive will be at the top and the smallest file will be at the bottom. Now the same features are there in this. You can even uninstall or see for more advanced option or move it somewhere else. Now I'll show you the other features. The next feature which I'm going to show you is view storage usage on other drives. You have many drives in your PC, so it shows other drives and the same as shown in the home page of this setting where it showed the folders for C drive. It is the same here for D drive also, and the same features apply here. Now the next option which we'll be seeing is change where the new content is saved. When you save something in your PC, it by default goes to the primary drive, which is your C drive. If you want it to go to some other drive, you can select the other drive which you want and click on apply. The next time onwards, when you download or save any file, it will go to your D drive as per your selection. Now I'll show you the storage sense feature. By turning it on, you can configure storage sense feature. Here the storage sense features does the main job of your PC. It detects when your storage is running low and cleans the disk for better storage. Here there is this option, delete files in my download folder. You should put it to never, because if your laptop or PC does delete temporary files or cleans up your storage, if the downloaded files go away, you can't access it anymore. Here you can run the storage sense every month, every week, every day, or during low free disk space. So I have selected every month. Temporary files which are there in your recycle bin also get deleted after 30 days, never 1 day, 14 days or 60 days. I have opted for 30 days. This option, the cleanup now one, does the cleaning of your disk by the settings which you have done on this page. So you need to select wisely and always keep the downloaded file deleting option to never. So this is how you can manage your disk space option. This is the new feature which you get in Windows 10. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.